My name is Malene Barnett, and I have a company called Malene B. I specialize in creating globally inspired carpet designs. Yes, carpets. Quite interesting, right? For residential, hospitality, and commercial environments. I actually work directly with weavers in Nepal, Thailand, China, and India to create one-of-a-kind pieces for any environment. My specialty is actually creating from a blank canvas. Because I have an illustration, fine arts, and textile arts background, I use that combined with my love for world cultures to create pieces that tell stories. It's interesting, I really feel that I don't have like a set process, but I guess what happens is that I'm usually inspired by something. A place I've been, something I've seen, maybe it's a person, even could be a ritual. And so generally when I see something that inspires me, I usually start sketching or I write the idea down, because I generally keep a sketchbook with me or have some paper if I'm not necessarily at my computer. And then I keep a file, and then it really starts from there. I use bold colors because I'm a bold person. Most people don't realize that you have a choice as to what color to color your floors, but people usually generally choose brown. But since I'm a bold person and I wanted to stand out and do something different, I chose to have colored floors. What it means to me to have my own space. It means a sense of freedom and solitude and independence. And it's also great that I have a place that I could really call my own. And I feel that our homes are one of the very few places in our lives that we could really personalize. And I really feel that I've exercised that choice to personalize my space. If you've noticed, my front door is actually turquoise, and turquoise is my favorite color. And when I saw the, I'll say the African silhouette as a door handle, I said, that's a Malene door handle, and I have to get it. And so when it was time to install the railing, I had an opportunity to custom design it. So I did an abstraction of my own original carpet design, and the metalsmith person, he was able to translate those drawings. So I've sent the message even before you step into the doors of my home.